In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BigCommerce to Google Shopping. So once you have connected different platforms to each other, it should be able to enhance the visibility and range of your products. First, head over to BigCommerce.com, and if you already have a store or an account, proceed to click on this login option that will appear right here. Now from there, if you don't have one yet, you can head over and request a demo of this particular application, and you should be able to start a 15-day free trial with no credit card required with this. So Google Shopping looks like this. So people can search right here specific items and they can actually extend the visibility of your products. So let's connect these two together. First, I have in here this article, so it can actually help look for shopping ads as well as free listings. So on Google Shopping, this is will actually look like this. So your product could be one of this right there. So in order to work it, you need to use an app to connect your BigCommerce stores to Google. And then once connected, eligible product can be included in free listing on Google Shopping, as well as Google Search and Images. And you can use the app to optionally create ad campaigns and expand your reach. For the requirements, you will need, of course, a Google account. Individual apps may have additional requirement for that as well. So you also have in here the Google Merchant Center requirements, like agreeing to terms and service. You may need to have contact information that's updated. Your storefront must be launched and active. You need to have a secure checkout process, and you must comply with Google Shopping policies. So to set it up, go to your channels on your channel manager and click on this plus channel. Under ads and social, you can find the connect option next to Google. So from in there, you just proceed to connect it, and you should be able to actually connect BigCommerce directly on Google Shopping with those easy requirements and methods. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.